Of Tennessee children facing poverty is dropping, and that's according to a new report from the Commission on Children and Youth.
That group released that and other findings in its annual State of the Child report. 10 News reporter Emily Crabtree has been digging into that data. Tell us what you found, Emily.
Well, Robin, John, the commission tells me that researchers collect this information and it's all tied to many different areas of a child's life. Data can range from how kids are doing in school to statistics on students' mental health, and it also includes the statewide child poverty rate. On Thursday, the Tennessee Commission for Children and Youth released its annual State of the Child report.
We try and get as much information as there is out there about how our kids are doing across the state and compile it into one easy to digest, even though it's kind of very long sometimes, report.
The report dives into different areas of a child's life, from academics to mental health to cost of living.
I think one of the things we kind of look at every year, even though it didn't really have a drastic change this year, one of the things that we're always keeping tabs on is child poverty.
The commission says that in order to track child poverty, they follow the official poverty measure.
They looked at what does it cost to have a grocery basket of a standard food in the 60s. And then they multiplied that by 3. And so every year they update for the cost of those food items, but that's the only thing that creates the official poverty measure.
They say that in recent years, they've seen a spike in kids facing poverty, but new numbers show that trend may be changing.
What we saw was a couple of years ago, we had a really substantial decrease. And then we kind of went back up, and now we're trending back down just a little bit.
The commission says, though it's not a huge difference, it's promising, and they hope to find more ways to help that progress.
So that's encouraging. We're looking to see, are we going to be able to keep that trend up, which is, one of the key indicators that we're always looking at.
Now, while that trend is going in the right direction, the state still has a higher rate of child poverty than the rest of the country. Based on data of the official poverty measure, the report shows the number of children living in poverty is still higher than it was in 2022. John, Robin?
Emily, we appreciate the perspective.